Welcome back to Smart Quiz and Guess. Only a genius can solve these riddles. 40 tricky riddles that will stretch your brain. Before starting, please subscribe to the Smart Quiz and Guess channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go. You got this. It's the easy level.
What has to be broken before you can use it? An egg. Be honest. Did you ever mess up cracking an egg as a kid? What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. It dries you but gets soaked itself. Life's little paradox. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. Getting older is a blessing. How old are you? Comment below. What has hands but can't clap? A clock. Time never stops. But you can hit that like button.
What belongs to you but is used more by others?
Your name. Everyone uses your name more than you. Type your name in the comments. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. Fun fact, some people still call the bottle's neck the bottle's head. What has keys but can't open locks? A piano. If you play piano, you're already a star. What can you catch but not throw? A cold. If you've ever had a cold, like this video. If not, like it twice. What has legs but doesn't walk? A table. Have you ever seen a table run away? What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? A clock. Time waits for no one, but you can still subscribe.
You got this. It's the easy medium level.
Can talk but have no mouth. I repeat what you say. What am I? Correct or answer an echo. Fun fact, echoes happen because sound waves bounce back like nature talking to you. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? Answer, darkness. Fun fact, your eyes need just a little light to see. Total darkness is actually rare. What appears once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years. Answer, the letter M. Fun fact, this is a word trick, not a time trick. Language can be sneaky. What can travel around the world while staying in the same corner? Answer, a stamp. Fun fact, the world's first stamp was made in 1840. It changed how people sent messages. What has hands but can't clap? Answer, a clock. Fun fact, the oldest mechanical clock is over 600 years old and still ticking. What gets wetter the more it dries? Answer, a towel. Fun fact, towels work by absorbing water from your skin. Clever and simple. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Answer, light. Fun fact, light moves faster than anything else in the universe. What can break but never be held? A promise. Fun fact, trust is invisible but powerful promises can build or break it. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? Answer, a piano. Fun fact, a standard piano has 88 keys, enough to make endless melodies. What begins with T, ends with T, and has tea in it? Answer, a teapot. Fun fact, tea is the second most consumed drink in the world after water.
You got this. It's the hard level.
I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Whenever I go, darkness flies. Answer, cloud. Fact, clouds hold millions of tons of water, yet they float so gently in the sky.
I make two people out of one. What am I? Answer, mirror. Fact, mirrors don't actually flip left and right. Your brain does that. Hey, the more you take, the more you leave behind. I'm not footsteps, but I grow when you move. Answer, shadow. Fact, shadows grow longer in the evening because the sun's light hits the ground at a lower angle. I have no tongue, but I can speak. I have no lungs, but I need air. I'm not alive yet, I grow. Fact, fire isn't a solid liquid or gas. It's actually a chemical reaction releasing light and heat. Answer, fire. I can be long or short, grown or bought, painted or left bare. I am on many faces and hands. Answer, hair. Fact, the average person has over 100,000 hairs on their head, and it grows about 1 centimeter per month. I am taken before you get it, and I am given before you take it. Answer, a photograph. Fact, the first photo ever taken took over 8 hours to expose. Imagine that selfie delay. I have 1,000 needles but do not, so I stand in one place and throw shade below. Answer, pine tree. Fact, pine trees can live for thousands of years, some even older than the pyramids of Egypt. I run over fields and woods all day but never move. Answer, a road. Fact, the world's longest road, Pan American Highway, stretches over 19,000 miles. I speak in numbers, hold no words, tell truth, but not lie. I can be wrong if fed wrong. Answer, calculator. Fact, early calculators were mechanical. Humans powered them by turning gears. You can keep it only after giving it away. Answer, your word over promise. Fact, trust builds slowly, but one broken promise can destroy it instantly. Use your words wisely.
You got this. It's the impossible level.
The person who makes it, sells it. The person who buys it never uses it. The person who uses it doesn't know it. What is it? Answer, a coffin. Fact, ancient Egyptians believed coffins helped guide the soul to the afterlife. I am always running, but never move. I have no legs, but travel the world. What am I? Answer, time. Fact, time is the only thing we can't control. It never stops, even when we do. What disappears as soon as you say its name? Answer, silence. Fact, true silence doesn't exist even in quiet rooms. You can hear your own heartbeat. The more you have of me, the less you see. What am I? Answer, fog. Fact, fog is just tiny water droplets suspended in air. It's basically a low cloud. I have keys but no locks. I can unlock mines, but not doors. What am I? Answer: knowledge. Fact: unlike material things, knowledge increases the more you share it. I am not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I can die if I'm not fed. What am I? Answer: fire. Fact: fire needs 3 things to live: heat, oxygen, and fuel. Remove one, and it dies instantly. I'm something people love or hate. I change people's looks and thoughts. I make people proud or regretful. What am I? Answer: a mirror. Fact: mirrors were once made from polished bronze and they distorted faces slightly.
The more you take away from me, the bigger I get. What am I? Answer: a hole. Fact: the largest natural hole on Earth, the Great Blue Hole in Belize, is over 120 meters deep. I am something you can't see, can't touch, but if you break me, what am I? Answer: trust. Fact: studies show that once trust is broken, the brain remembers it longer than physical pain. The poor have me, the rich need me, and if you eat me, you die. What am I? Answer: nothing. Fact: this classic riddle reminds us, sometimes the hardest answer is the simplest one. Thank you for your attention. See you next video. Of course, subscribe. Thank you.